Let's move on to the next figure. Make sure to end this one rather close to each other. You need to be more or less one step apart because you're going to jump back to each other, jumping onto the right leg diagonally forward and to the right, like this. Let's show it from the front. You're simply shifting your body weight from one leg to another, moving your body weight up and onto the leg. Even if it's slightly quicker, the motion is still the same. Right, left, right, left. You don't actually have to jump up, but the feeling is like you're jumping off the leg and onto the opposite one while shifting your body weight. Your pelvises are going to move to each other, away from each other, to each other, and so on. First jump is to each other, creating the connection. Man places the right hand around the lady's waist. Jump, and you want to land with your right leg between the legs of your partner, and that goes for both partners. Create the connection. Lady can also place her right hand on the man's waist. Avoid relaxing your opposite hand, don't let it just hang there. Keep it energized, keep your elbow away from your body. You can keep it higher or lower, whatever feels more natural to you. Lady can grab her dress. Now jump away from each other and focus mainly on simply shifting your body weight to the opposite leg, staying in one place. You cannot move too far from each other because you still have to be able to reach with the right hand. You can use your right hand to stop the partner in case he or she is moving slightly too far, but try to find the perfect distance through the length of your step. Jump to each other, jump away from each other. To each other, away from each other. During those steps, you will have to rotate together as a couple going clockwise. You're rotating just a bit during each of the moves. To each other, away. To each other, away. We're going to dance 4 slow ones, then we're going to keep doing the same thing but slightly faster. Hop, 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 and so on. You can practice this for a while, jumping diagonally to and away from each other while rotating. We've already counted our twists and our kicks, so let's now count the last part. And to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.